Hello! Today I'll be showing you how to change the batteries in this PowerG 9914 wireless motion sensor. The tools we'll need for the job is one CR123A battery, which can be acquired at any local hardware store. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our sensor and flip it to the bottom. From here we're going to locate this little notch. All we're going to do is we're going to press down into the notch and pry the cover off. Just like so. Once the cover's been removed, we can then access the battery. From here, we're going to remove the battery. I always find it's easier to go from the positive side and pry it off like so, but just be careful that we don't break off these tabs. Once the battery's been removed, we can then replace it with a new battery with the positive side on this end and the negative side on this end as indicated on the sensor. So with the sides lined up, press down, make sure that the battery's making good contact, and all is good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to realign the top of the cover like so, making sure it sits evenly, and then all we're going to do is we're going to go to the bottom and press it into place. And upon one final inspection that there's no gaps and no edges that are open, our job here is done. And that's it!